What's up, friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable microphone access or microphone permission in Windows 11. So, in order to allow microphone access in Windows 11, you need to be using this with a application, right? That is now going to require you to use your microphone or your voice or whatever it is. So I'm going to take, for example, Chrome as an example. I'm going to open up a window of Chrome right here, as you can see, and I'm going to open up a new tab. And I'm going to use a website called Omi TV as an example, Omi.tv. This application where you will be able to share your webcam. By when you visit this for the first time, you will be prompted to sign in, and as well, you will be able to allow your camera and your microphone at that. So, but how can you really allow your microphone access on Windows 11? As I said, it's through an application, and you can do it by looking on the upper left, and right here you can click the side settings and you can see the microphone option and you can enable or disable it. That's one way, especially if you're using Chrome. In other browser, the steps are pretty much similar. And so, for example, in Chrome, you can click the three dots here in the upper right, go to settings, and you will find privacy and security. You will find side settings here, and you can scroll down and find where it says microphone. You click on that and you want to turn it on. If it's like this off, like don't allow, you need to turn it on by choosing the allow access. And this way you will be able to allow microphone access through your browsers. Other application kind of works differently, but there's always going to be some section that allows you to set your microphone. I'm going to try a different application here. So I'm going to just choose randomly Microsoft Teams. And so when I open up Microsoft Teams right here, and just choosing another application and kind of give you an idea how you can approach it from an application perspective to kind of allow your microphone. So you would definitely go to the three dots, somewhere where you can find settings and open it. Within settings, you need to find where you would use this. So, for example, let's have a look under devices. And under devices, for example, you can see that it shows microphone, and I can just switch this to whichever microphone I want. So that's how you do it in, for example, Chrome. And so for other applications, the steps will be pretty much similar, right? Here's Zoom, for example. I'm going to check to see if I have an account there yet. We'll try to sign in. Let's look here on the left hand side. This is settings on the lower left hand side. Here we look at audio, and here you can see headphones, right? So here you find headphones, here you find microphones, and you can select the microphone as well that you're currently using. And so, guys, that's how it actually works. So you can allow microphone access in Windows 11. Very easy and very simple.